Welcome to another video. Today we have something very cool, super interesting video for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to unlock the network of your phone to use it with any carrier. This is gonna be useful if you wanna switch providers and use your phone with any other SIM card, any other carrier in any country. So it's gonna be compatible worldwide. So this is by far the best way to unlock your phone. I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step. Now this will work regardless if your phone is still under contract or out of contract. It doesn't really matter. Without further ado, let's start. So to start, we're gonna get the phone's IMEI number. That's a unique number for every phone. So to get it, simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your phone. This number is very important. It represents the ID of your phone, and keep it somewhere close because we're gonna use it in a few seconds to unlock this phone. Okay, now we're gonna switch to the computer. We're gonna use this website to request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So first you need to fill in the information about the phone you want to unlock in this form. Processing times may always vary, so be very patient. It may be very fast sometimes, but sometimes it may also take a little bit longer, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so after you have waited the estimated amount of time, you're gonna get an email, and I'm gonna show you how the email will look like. And as you can see here, I got this message and it confirms that the phone has been unlocked. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, just leave them on the comment section down below, and I will try to answer them